Okay, I'm just gonna do a video. It'll be a really quick video. It might be a little bit shaky because I'm holding my phone and I have prepped everything. So what you hear over there is the sizzling water for my steam. So what I'm going to make today is, you've heard of pasta salad? Well, when you can't have pasta and you can't have tomatoes and things like that, what I've decided to do is to get a little bit creative. I have taken a whole thing of bok choy, and bok choy looks like this, and I cubed the stalk right here, and the greens are here. I'm going to steam the stalk with a little bit of radish, so I can put the radish in now. This is about 1.5 cups of radish, so I'm gonna put that in. Then I've got my seasoning that I'm going to add to this, which is my cumin coriander seed. Just sprinkle a little bit of that in there just so that it can cook. It can cook into that. Now, you don't necessarily have to steam the greens, the top part, but you want to kind of steam the bottom part. Not a whole lot, just maybe 5-10 minutes. That mixture, I'm going to pour that into my colander here for my steam. Because this is what I'm going to use to steam, and then I'll use this bowl for my other ingredients, which I'll show you. Okay, so I've got this that I'm going to steam. I'm going to start with this. I'm going to put this onto my boiling water here. Add the lid, as you can see that. Now I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes to start, because I just want to go ahead and steam the radishes and the bok choy stalk, but then I'm going to add the bok choy leaves for the last couple of minutes, and that will give me a good little wilt to those. Okay, now in my bowl, I diced the onion, and then I also have diced some fresh cucumber, about 1 cup, maybe 1.5 cups. So if you wanted to make this more like a salad, you wouldn't necessarily have to steam the bok choy green, the leaves. I'm steaming them because I tasted it and it's a little bit, I think I want a little bit of a wilt to it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the garden herb vinaigrette, and I chose this because reading the back, I see that the worst part of this would be the sodium, which is at 14%, 320 milligrams for 2 tablespoons. It's 14% of the recommended daily allowance, so it's not so bad. The total carbs is only 2 grams, so we can work with that a little bit. Now I'm going to take my 2 tablespoons of this and mix it in with my refrigerated, because this is going to be kind of a cold salad. So I mix this together, and that gives me that vinegary base with my crunchy vegetables. I've got the bok choy and the radishes, so that gave me the little red. And so I was thinking, okay, so turned around just in time, and I've got this going, and I'm going to add my bok choy greens and just give it a little bit of a wilt. I'm going to do another 2 minutes. And I want to put my cold ingredients, my crispy, crunchy onions and cucumbers, into the refrigerator. And once this is cool, once it's done and it's cooled off, I'll add that, and